welcome back on my channel. The excitement level is super high because I am now traveling to Italy, to Rome. Around 10 minutes we will go out and our plane is at 12, so I'm so happy. So we're gonna get ready and see you soon.
Calling you, send me. Calling you, send me. You, send me. You, send me. Darling,
And the weather is horrible. Look at the weather. Okay, I understand that you cannot have everything in this life, but it was the same temperature in Berlin and it was even sunnier in Berlin than here. Just like look at this weather. Sorry.
Everyone comes to Rome to see the sun,
But to get this, you know? Okay, I think it's gonna be like rainy today and tomorrow, and then it's gonna be sunny, so let's hope. Finger crossed. We just arrived to get some coffee and some sweets. So, what did you take? She took this coffee, and it looks very nice. This is not for me. And look at the pizza over there. Looks so good. Let's try now. Good morning, everyone. I am in Italy. I am so happy. We arrived yesterday and I didn't film much. You saw a lot of food because I just kept filming and eating good Italian food. Yesterday our family picked us up and we had a great lunch. We also ate some desserts with pistachio and I took a coffee. Whenever I arrived to Italy, I just start drinking so much coffee because here the coffee is amazing. And later on we went to the cinema. We went to watch this movie which I think is now out as well in Germany and in Europe, which is called Argylle, and it's like a creamy kind of adventure thriller, maybe a bit. I actually enjoyed the movie. It was nice, so that was something we did. And today the plan is to probably go to do some shopping because the weather is crazy. It is so bad yesterday and today that it's just pouring water and raining so much. So I think today this is gonna be the plan, and tomorrow the weather is gonna be good. It's gonna be like 18 and sun, so probably we will do a bit more in the next few days. But yeah, I think that's the plan. I'm just so happy being here because this is the place I grew up, and it's always nice to come back for a few days and to escape. I wanted to say to escape the bad weather in Berlin, but actually today it's gonna be the same as in Berlin, maybe a bit warmer. Hi everyone, good morning. It's already a new day. I was not filming that much lately because I was very busy with a lot of stuff with my family, and now I'm just having a walk here. You can see the nice view. I just got my morning coffee and now we are in my city town. Yeah, it's so pretty. Just look. I'm just walking on this long street that goes down, and from here it's also very nice. And finally today the weather is sunny. I couldn't wait for the sun to come out. Finally.
Semplice, da qui scendi, abbiamo a casa 10 minuti.
we are to the outlet. We are checking out some shops. My favorite color. This one. I have the same shoes. Oh, our matching shoes, but this is my favorite color. 44. This one's. Since when Converse is doing this weird things? I remember them doing this, just these shoes, but what is this? For the snow? For the skis? Look at this ones.
Send me, darling, you. Send me,
We are to have dinner in this place. It's actually not far from our home. And hello, I will show you. They have this amazing corn polenta. I mean, polenta is made out of corn. I will show you everything. Buonasera. Hi everyone, we arrived to the city center, to the carnival. I'm gonna show you some videos. Are in the supermarket. I wanted to show how many different Italian types they have. For example, this one is like cornetti. I think in other countries they don't have it. I've never seen them, only in Italy. Or like this one, Kinder Plum Cake, or this one with the Greek yogurt in it. I think it's something that only in Italy they have it, but I'm not sure. I mean, yeah, or this types, you know, the brioche. They're so good. A lot of things. I'm getting some stuff that I will bring to Germany because I'm traveling tomorrow, and I am checking out the coffee because they have so many capsules that I've never seen in Germany. And yeah, let's see now. My sister is checking some sweets because she wants to take. I think this would be so good with pistachio. I love pistachio, but I don't know. It looks a bit weird. Have you found something?
It's like diet.
This is for diet. Or these ones. These ones are so good. I remember them from my childhood. We are back in Berlin.